If you use your computer for long periods of time, you may suffer from eye strain or from headaches, and that may be due in part to the brightness of the screen, right? So by default, Windows has this bright theme where everything in the background is white and then you have the dark text on top of that. That can be changed. I'll show you how. Click on the Start button, go to Settings icon, and go to Personalization. And when you're there, click on Colors on the left. So right now, under Choose Your Color, we have the light theme is selected. So let's choose dark, give it a moment to apply, and we'll see that now the background is black and the text is white. So that's a lot less light coming into your eyes off of the screen. So if we minimize the settings here, we can see that the File Explorer that I had open is now in the dark theme. If I maximize that, you can see how much less light is going to be entering your eye. So let's restore that and go back into settings. There's another related setting that you may want to tweak. So if we click on Home here and go to System and then go to Display, we have this nightlight option, right? So it explains here that nightlight can help you get to sleep by displaying warmer colors at night. It's the blue light that coming off your screen that will keep you awake, right? So they cut back the blue light after sunset to make it more likely that you're going to fall asleep when you do, jump into bed. So here we go. If we turn it on and then go into nightlight settings, we can see that it's going to be off until sunset, and then of course it will turn on, and then at sunrise it will come off again, right? So that's the basic schedule, sunset to sunrise, but you can also set specific hours if you find that that's not appropriate for your usage patterns, or if you'd like to have it on all the time possibly. Anyway, hopefully that will help you control how much light is being emitted from your screen and maybe even help you get a better night's sleep.